admit flinching away from reality. Don't be fooled by them, everyone knows that there's no such thing. Stop and listen and learn the pedestrian crossing's free. Do you know what you're cross about, and that you're cross with me?
One-on-one is a space where you can spend a week doing, dreaming, eating, sleeping.
I do not see that. Why should I see that? Why should that be? I did not say that. Why would I say that? That would not be. Different ways to be free, different times to be silently. You're not making this easy for us, would you leave it please? Slowing everything down, laying out all your wants and needs. Giving into the fact that we all move at different speeds. You must stay, you must master this. Try relearning to move with this problem, paralysis.
I did not say.
How much do you choose? Choose to find, choose to lose. Does it help?
I do not see that.
Shove the rest of it up on the shelf. Marked illusion of self. I did not say that. Why would I say that? That would not be.
Thank you,